Hello my dear friends, today I have a new video for you. Today we are going to visit one of the most beautiful dairy farm in Sri Lanka. This is the road leading to this farm and that road is really beautiful. It's like a plain full of green grass, but it's really beautiful with the blue sky. Ambewela New Zealand Farm is a popular tourist attraction in the highlands of Nuwara Eliya, Sri Lanka, known for its expansive pastures and dairy production. The farm is a part of the larger Ambewela Farm and is managed by the Ambewela Dairy Farm, housing purebred Friesian cows and providing visitors with the scenic views and opportunities to purchase fresh dairy products like cheese and yogurt. The farm is also known as Little New Zealand because of its picturesque landscape which resembles New Zealand countryside. The farm is located in the Ambewela region, a few kilometers from Nuwara Eliya town. Talking about this farm history, while the Ambewela farm started in the early 1940s, the New Zealand farm was established in 1960 with assistance from the New Zealand government. In here, we can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of rolling hills and pristine landscape. Here we are at the farm. Now let's go inside and take a look. There are entrance fees with the different prices for locals and foreigners as well as adults and children. The farm is open for visitors, though specific hours of operation may be varied. So I come to counter and bought a ticket, and now I am getting ready to go inside and see this beautiful farm. I feel I can experience the cool mountain air and the peaceful atmosphere of the highland pasture. As well as visitors can also see other farm animals like rabbits and goats and can sometimes feed milk to calves. Look at these beautiful flowers, they are full of beautiful colors, yellow and red. How beautiful to see them. When we first enter here, we can see where the milk is stored. Look at that large tanks, the milk is stored here. Now these cows have come here at the time of their milking. We can't get close to them, we can see them only through a glass. Have a look, fans are installed everywhere to control the temperature here. Talking about the milking system of here, cows are brought calmly to the milking parlor and teats are cleaned and disinfected before milking. Milking machines are attached within 1 minute of preparation for proper letdown. Milk flow is monitored and clusters are removed promptly to avoid over-milking. After milking, teats are dipped in iodine to prevent mastitis, and equipment is washed and sanitized. After that, milk is quickly cooled below 40 degrees Celsius and tested for the quality before being sent to the processing plant. All steps follow Ambewela SOP to ensure hygienic efficiency and cow welfare. Look at this machine. It is activated by sensing when animals come too near this machine. The Ambewela New Zealand Farm uses modern freestall and loose housing barns designed to ensure cow comfort, hygiene and high milk production. The barns features non-slip concrete floors, comfortable bedding, automatic water thrush and good ventilation for temperature control. Manual lanes and scrapers keep the area clean. Cows are grouped by production and lactation stage with feed and water available 24 hours a day. According to that, regular cleaning and good housing conditions help maintain animal welfare and consistent milk quality throughout the year. The farm has provided all the necessary facilities for these cows. In here, mainly raises Holstein Friesians and Ayrshire cows imported from New Zealand. Normally, Holstein Friesians are high-yielding black and white cows producing about 25 to 30 liters of milk per day, while Ayrshire's produce rich, high-quality milk with good fat and protein levels. Talking about the cows feeding here, cows are fed a balanced total mixed ration of fresh pasture, including ryegrass, clover, silage, concentrates and minerals, ensuring proper nutrition. They also have their food delivered to these barns by food trucks. Also, they provide regular veterinary care, vaccination and hygiene practice, maintain herd health with supervised calving and careful calf rearing. Milking is done twice daily and the milk is chilled and transported directly to the Ambewela dairy processing plant for producing of milk, yogurt and cheeses. The farm is located in central highlands about 1850 meters above the sea level. It is known for its cool, misty climate, coverage temperature below 17 degrees and lush green grasslands, making it ideal for high-yield dairy farming. Shows the landscape features rolling hills, open pasture and forest patches, giving it a scenic New Zealand-like appearance. Frequent rainfalls and rich soils supports healthy pasture growth for dairy cattle. The area is also rich in biodiversity, home to sambar deer, leopards and many bird species, with surrounding forests providing natural habitats. The clean air, cool weather and wide grasslands make this farm one of Sri Lanka's most beautiful and environmentally balanced highland farming regions. There is a restaurant inside this farm. We can buy any dairy products we want from it. I bought a glass of fresh milk and this really tastes good. After I finished drinking the milk, I thought I should go see the rabbits. In addition to dairy cows, the farm also keeps rabbits, which are popular attraction for visitors. Two main breeds are found there: pure white New Zealand rabbits and California rabbits. These rabbits are kept in enclosure for display and breeding purposes. The cool Ambewela climate provides a suitable environment for their growth, although some visitor reviews note that cages could be more comfortable. But the rabbits and to the educational and family-friendly experience of New Zealand Farm. Next, we go to see the stud bulls. They are an important part of the dairy breeding program and a main attraction for visitors. These bulls belong mainly to high-yielding Holstein Friesian and Ayrshire breeds, selected for their strong genetics and excellent milk-producing offsprings. Some bulls weigh over 1 ton and are kept in secure enclosures for weaning. They are used for artificial inseminations to improve herd quality and maintain pure dairy bloodline across farms. The bulls symbolize the strength and quality of the farm's breeding program, while also providing educational experience for visitors about dairy genetics and reproduction. Next, we go to see the goat shed. Goats are an important part of the farm's diverse livestock population. The farm primarily raised Saanen goats, a breed known for high milk production and adaptability to the Ambewela's cool highland climate. The goats are kept in clean, well-maintained enclosure and graze on lush pasture. The farm's goat program serves multiple purposes like milk production, educational demonstrations for visitors, and promoting awareness of alternative dairy sources. Fresh goat milk is produced and sold in 190 ml bottles. Visitors can also observe the goats, learn about goat husbandries, and gain insight into sustainable and diversified farming practices. The day spent with these animals was truly mind-blowing, so I urge you to go and see this beautiful farm because it gives us with a lot of experience about farms. So my video ends here for today. Stay tuned until we meet again with another beautiful video like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Goodbye.